Today we will learn how to make cinematic title in Premiere Pro. First of all, type text on the upper layer of the video layer and keep it where you want to start. Now go to Text Controls and Effects Control. From there, take Pen tool and select the text layer and draw it as shown on the screen. Now keep moving forward frame by frame. This video has been fast-forwarded so that time is not wasted. And these are the final results. That's it for today. See you again in next video. And subscribe to the GraphiX Studio YouTube, which is now available in English and Hindi language.